All right, so here is my unboxing video for my 22 mods for all. So I've been looking at this kit for a while. There are very few videos online, so I figured I'd go ahead and throw one on. I will hopefully be building this completely here within the next couple of days, and I'll probably put the video for the build up, and then I'll take it out to the range and do some shooting, and put that up as well. So hopefully everything will go smooth with this build, and there will be no issues with the range, and it'd be golden. But we'll run with it either way, and we'll check it out, see how it goes. So I got this 22mods4all.com. If you haven't seen them or heard of them, you should check them out. Again, I'm not endorsing them at this point, but they've got some killer deals. So here we go. Lots of packaging. There you go, little swag sticker, bill of sale. All right, so here's this is a AR pistol in 5.56. And everything should be wrapped in plastic, so other than this, so don't worry about the sawdust and stuff. If you see here on my table, it'll be all right. There we go. Buffer tube and spring. Charging handle. There you go. A little fake can. Gas block and tube. So our pistol grip, our trigger assembly, our lower parts kit. The upper with our forward assist in there. Ten and a half inch barrel. And this is the 10.5 inch Xavier operators kit. This is our handguard here. There you go. The finish on this whole kit that I see so far is really good. There's no dings or nicks or anything like that. Pretty cool. So keep on the lookout, and I'll get the build video put up, and then shortly thereafter get the range day up.